Hey, this is a practice video for Purple Magic Lesson 2. Important things we went over were bar line, measure, and double bar line, and these are all referenced on page 64. Staccato and legato and what they mean and how they sound. We will practice both of those in Roll the Ball as well. For your listening this week, please concentrate on tracks 1, 2, and 3. They're all going to help your musicality be understood a little bit more. Then they all have great theory concepts that we're teaching in class as well. You're also going to try to get 5 practices on your flashcards. Flashcards should be super fast right now because you only have the treble clef spaces right here, F, A, C, E. Those are the only ones you're doing besides middle B, middle D, and middle C. So really you have 7 that you should be jumping through really fast on your flashcards. So go through that 5 times this week. For practicing, you're going to sing Do is Home. As we've done it before, Do is home. Play it with your thumb, check yourself. We're just developing a very good relative pitch to hear middle C right there. Then on page 4, your C major cadence. We're going to be working on broken style this week, making sure that our hands are correct when we're playing our chords in pieces. So broken style is going to be right here. First, we're going to do the right hand. And I'm going to review all the fingering here. Do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, fa, la, do, fa, la, ti, re, so, do, mi, so. And then your left hand can really cross over and hit the high do right there. Left hand fingering is 5, 3, 1, do, mi, so. 5, 2, 1, do, fa, la, ti, re, so. 5, 3, 1, do, mi, so. And then your left hand will jump over and hit this. And your right hand at the end will play do, mi, so. And then just play that middle C again. And that works great. So that is your broken style for your major cadence. Page 7, these little stars mean that these are new this week. So really focus. New this week. Make sure that you are starting these. You're going to be playing hands separately, very smoothly and slowly, keeping your bubble hand shape when you are doing caterpillar cousins. So we're starting here on middle C. We're going to be crawling up with our fingers and then down and up and down. And as you're playing with your right hand, I would love if your right hand is down here on the piano and your left hand is pointing and you are keeping track of where you are. And then reverse it when you do your left hand playing. A grown-up can also help point to follow along. So here's what your hands are going to look like. Starting C position, starting on middle C and crawling up and down. First hand is going to be caterpillar cousins walking, having lots of fun just talking. When you see them, they'll be knocking at your door. That part is slower at the end because these are Beatles. Caterpillar, 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 beetle, bug. So they will be slower than the caterpillar notes. Left hand, I'm going to show you that as well. We're going for bubble hand shape. You'll be doing this a lot more slowly than I'm demonstrating here, but I'm just showing you the right hands. Caterpillar cousins walking. Start on C, walk up to the top. Just talking. When you see them, they'll be knocking at your door. None of your fingers should be buckling like this when you're playing them. We're going for strong knuckles, playing on the pads of our fingers. If you touch your fingers right here, that place that comes together on fingers 2, 3, 4, and 5, that's where you should touch the notes. If you press, it's the white part, where the blood goes out of your finger. That's where it should be. And this week we're doing hands separately. Scale out and in is on the same page. We have done this before. We're going to pop at the same time, playing smoothly and slowly with both hands. So when you play and you're in middle C position, your left hand is here with your thumb on middle C, and your right hand is also there, your thumb on middle C. You're going to play fingers 1 together, fingers 2 together, fingers 3, and you're going to pop at the same time. Fingers 1, 2, 3, pop under. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions about that. It is not a new skill. I trust you all on that one. But one more new piece is on page 15, bounce and roll. This is our new part on this. So we are going to be learning the first 4 lines, which is all the lines, right hand only, the staccato and legato. So we talked about staccato, and we're going to play the first part very smoothly. We're starting in C position, and under here, where it's marked out on ours, is finger 5 right there. So we're going to do 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. And the finger numbers are written in that first line for you. So it's going to sound like this. Roll the ball, roll it along. Rolling is legato, play the smooth song. Connecting all of our notes, making it legato and smooth. Then we're going to do the exact same notes, choppy and bouncy staccato. Bounce the little ball, now bounce it quick to be. Bouncing is staccato, choppy as can be. And that's all 4 lines that you're going to play. Remember, grown-ups, our learning repertoire on page 14 here is a very wordy explanation of how to help guide students when they're first starting a new piece. It's always going to break it up in your assignments, and as long as you keep up on it, it should be a manageable chunk. Let me know if you have any questions.